Yo, what's up guys? Today we're doing another tutorial video. This time it's on VoiceMod Pro. Basically just how to install it, why you should install it, or either other ones like Clownfish. This is the website right here that you would get voice changer software, blah blah blah. Download now. Once you've done that, you'd open it. Yeah, so how you actually activate this is you have to go to the input devices, click this little button if your microphone does not come up. Use your microphone, for example, my one is Blue Snow. So I click that microphone and now that's set up. I can then go down here and I can use keyboard shortcuts, for example, bad language, which is what's this? That's pretty much what it is. I can then, whenever I want, I can click down button and now I'm a talking robot singing blah blah. And now I'm a woman and but yeah. That's pretty much how you use it, how you set it up. We've also got the meme sound machine. This website right here, which you should be able to see on screen now, is a really good meme soundboard website. It's got 97 pages of memes, and they're all pretty good. What you do is you find someone you like, download it MP3, go to here, add new sound, find the one you want. So for example, the one I have is Victory. Click that, add it. Want to get here, I click this button and I press any key on my keyboard, and yeah, that's the key that it would set to. So for example, F10, Victory. So yeah, that's pretty much how you use VoiceMod Pro. If you want to see another tutorial, or if you want me to do a tutorial on how you could get VoiceMod Pro set up with OBS Studio, Fortnite, Minecraft, Discord, if you want me to go through any of that, hit the like button. Comment your questions. That's pretty much what I'm going to say. So yeah, thanks guys for watching.
A to sí, no sé qué.